Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right now. I got so many questions on my last two videos to recreate this look because this is the look that I was wearing in those videos. So I figured I would sit down and film this video for you guys. It is a voiceover just because when I do my makeup, I really like to listen to music and get in the zone. So I'm sorry if you guys don't like voiceovers, but it's just easier for me to kind of just sit down and focus on my makeup and then kind of talk you through it. I try to switch it up. Some videos I do voiceovers, some videos I don't. The good news is this makeup look is mainly using the new Milani Bold Obsessions palette. And then the blue on my lower lash line is actually an eyeliner from Milani as well. And I did use this blue in this Boxycharm eyeshadow palette that we got. A lot of you guys were asking for a tutorial on this palette, and I know I didn't really use any other colors besides the blue, but maybe this will kind of inspire you to do a look like this because you can do the same look using this palette. So yeah, those are the colors that I used for my eyes. I actually did have a different eyeliner in the last two videos. I used the Marc Jacobs Highliner in the blue shade. I don't know the color, but it's actually my sister's, and I went to film this video and she took that eyeliner with her. So I had to use a different eyeliner, but this one works pretty much the same. This is the Milani Stay Put eyeliner in the color Keep On Sapphire. So you can use any blue eyeliner to kind of create this look. I feel like this is such a perfect look for spring because the blue kind of makes your eyes pop, and I feel like this would look good on so many different eye colors. That's a very long intro, so if you guys want to see how to recreate this makeup look, then let's just jump right in. Alright guys, so I already applied my foundation, concealer, and powder. I used the Too Faced Peach Perfect powder in the Maybelline, what is this, the Superstay foundation, and I used my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. So now I'm just going to jump into this Milani Bold Obsessions palette, and I'm going to take this color right here. It's like a really pretty light brown. I'm just going to apply this into my crease. Now I'm going to take this dark brown shade and I'm going to apply this in my outer corner, and also I'm going to work this into my crease. I'm also keeping this kind of higher up because we are going to cut the crease a little bit. So I'm keeping these shades kind of like higher up than my actual crease, a little bit higher than I normally would do. So now we're going to cut the crease a little bit. I'm using the Flower Beauty concealer. You can use any concealer. This is a Sigma Concealer F70 brush. You can use my coupon code if you'd like for 10% off. And I'm just going to use this to create a cut crease. And a trick to find out where to stop the cut crease is you want to look up and see where the concealer kind of transfers, and that is where you're going to stop where you kind of cut the crease, if that makes sense, because if you didn't do that and you would look up throughout the day, it would kind of smudge. So you want to cut the crease wherever, kind of like above your natural crease, if that makes sense, to kind of fake a higher cut crease. I'm sorry if that was confusing, but now I'm going to go in and grab this shade, which is so beautiful and so pigmented, and I'm going to put this right on top of the concealer. Alright, so now for the blue part, I'm going in with this Boxycharm and Pure eyeshadow palette that I got in my Boxycharm. And I'm going to take this blue and smudge it up against my lash line. And I'm just using, I forget what brush this is. I think it's a brush that I got from Boxycharm actually a while ago. It's the Luxie 221T brush. It's really good for smudging color up against the lash line. So that is what I'm doing. And then I'm going to go in with this eyeliner from Milani. This is their Stay Put liner in the color Keep On Sapphire. So in my other videos that this look was requested, I was actually wearing a Marc Jacobs highliner, which was more of like an aqua blue. This is a little bit deeper, but I figured it would go anyway. So I'm going back into that shade and I'm going to spray my brush. And I'm going to kind of create a liner with this, but just on the lower part. You guys will see when I apply actual black eyeliner what I mean. I wanted the blue to just kind of follow through the eyeliner and just kind of make it pop a little bit. So I'm just going to do that on both sides. The reason why I'm spraying the eyeshadow is because it kind of creates a more liquid form, so you have more control over where you are doing the line. And then I'm going to go in with my STILA Stay All Day felt tip liner, and I'm going to create a wing, but you guys will see I'm going to kind of overlap that blue and just leave it so that it's kind of poking out through the underneath. So now I'm just going to apply some lashes. These are the House of Lashes Iconic Lights. I love these lashes so, so much. They're beautiful. So now we're going to move back to the face. Like I said, I already did my foundation concealer, so I'm just going to go in and contour. This is the Smashbox contour palette. I use this all the time. I need to like find a new contour because it's getting old, but I really like it. And the brush I'm using is a Morphe M530. If you guys were curious, I know I get some questions on the brush that I use to contour with, so that is what it is. So now I'm going to bronze up the skin with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is the darker one. I know they have a couple different shades, and this is the darker one, and it is definitely darker than the other one that they have. So you just want to make sure it's nice and blended. And then for blush, I'm going in with this Flower Beauty blush, and it's in the color Sweet Pea. It's very, very pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way, trust me. And then I'm going to just go in and make sure everything is kind of blended together. This brush is actually a Real Techniques limited edition brush. I got it at Ulta, so I'm just using that to like blend everything together. So now I'm just going to use my Morphe sponge, and I'm just going in with my Too Faced powder, and I'm just going to kind of clean up my contour a little bit. Alright, so now I'm going in with my highlight. This is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighter in Mean Money and Hustla Baby. I'm going in with Hustla Baby, which is the more dramatic one, and I'm using a Real Techniques brush. And this highlight is poppin'. It is so beautiful. I love the undertone of it. If you guys have not tried these highlights, I highly recommend them. They last for such a long time, and I'm just in love with this highlight. It's literally the only highlight I've been using. And then I'm just going to put this down at the center of my nose. And just to be a little extra with my highlight, I'm going in with this Anastasia and AMREZY highlighter just to like top the highlight off just a little bit. Because, you know, I'm a little extra. And then I'm just going in with a duo fiber brush from Sigma, and I'm just making sure everything is kind of seamless. And then I'm going to go in with my favorite setting spray. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This makes my skin feel so good. It is empty. I need to get another one. And then I'm going to line my lips with the MAC lip liner in the color WHIRL. I'm going to slightly fill them in, but I'm mostly just lining them because I'm going to top them with a liquid lipstick. And then I'm going to use KYLIE Cosmetics Liquid Lip in the color KOKO K. I love this color. It is so, so pretty. I am going to top it with another lip product, which you will see in a second. So to top it off and make it a little bit more pink, I wanted to go in with this. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the color, I don't even know how to pronounce this, but I will put it on the screen. And I just love this because it gives it like a really pretty pink color, and I just love the combination of these two together. And then I'm going to quickly set my face again with the same Morphe spray, and that completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!